new cell phone data and new video presented in court detailing the moments leading up to the deaths of Paul and Maggie Murdaugh. Two timestamps, 8:48 and 8:49, show the last text messages Paul and Maggie read before their phones went dark. Just minutes before that, new video from Paul's phone, look at this, shows what he was doing in the family's dog kennels. The prosecution now zeroing in on what happened between 8:50 and 9:08 p.m., the time when the murders took place. NewsNation's Evan Lambert was inside the courtroom today. Evan, the agent on the stand today says he heard multiple voices in that video.
Yes, Nichole, and more importantly, Paul's best friend took the stand. He pointed at Alex Murdaugh and said with 100% certainty he could hear his voice in the background of that video, and that contradicts Alex's alibi. On Wednesday, the jury saw one of the state's most important pieces of evidence in the double homicide trial of South Carolina lawyer Alex Murdaugh. A video from his 22-year-old son Paul's phone taken just minutes before the prosecution says he was killed. That was just before 9 p.m. on June 7th, 2021. It shows Paul in the kennels on the family's Moselle hunting lodge, trying to get a video of a dog's tail. But what could be more important is what's heard in the background. In the courtroom, Murdaugh cries while listening to the voices.
You hear three different voices in the video. You can tell because they're so different.
Prosecutors arguing one of those voices is Alex Murdaugh's, and Paul's best friend backed that up on the stand.
I heard Miss Maggie.
And who else did you hear?
And I thought it was Mr. Alex that I heard.
Which would place Murdaugh at the murder scene with both his son and wife Maggie moments before the murders. He told investigators he'd fallen asleep inside the main house yards away and hadn't seen his wife and son until finding their bodies. The jury also heard detailed second-by-second analysis of data from Alex, Paul, and Maggie's cell phones. Based on what we could see while in court observing the jury, they looked confused by some of the times and numbers. The evidence involving a change in Maggie's phone's orientation from portrait to landscape after the state says she died.
It starts at 9:06:12 p.m., correct?
Yes, sir.
And it ends at 9:06:20 p.m., correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. And that indicated, you previously testified, that someone had that phone in their hands during that time, correct?
Yes, sir.
But on cross-examination, the defense gets an admission out of the data expert that undercuts the prosecution's argument that after the murders, Alex Murdaugh had handled his wife's phone.
We previously established that his phone and Maggie's phone were not, when he's walking, they're not walking together. Is that correct?
Correct. There are no steps recorded on the devices together.
And that witness also testifying to the fact that a chunk of Alex Murdaugh's phone calls, the records of those phone calls on the night of the murders, were missing by the time investigators got that phone to analyze it. Nichole?
All right, Evan, thank you for that. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.